Are you ready to dive into the world of generative AI and take your skills to the next level? Then this course is for you. Welcome to Generative AI with Python. A few words about myself. My name is Bert Gornick and I have a background in aerospace engineering and economics. I found my passion in data science and generative AI and gained experience at well-known companies. Now I'm happy to be able to pass on my knowledge in this field. In my intensive Generative AI with Python course, you'll learn everything you need to develop cutting-edge AI applications. I will take you on a journey through the latest and most exciting technologies that are revolutionizing the world of AI. I will introduce you to the latest tools coming out of the world of generative AI and show you how to integrate them into your projects. You will learn how language models are working, and you will understand how vector databases work to efficiently process large amounts of unstructured data. I'll also show you how to use retrieval augmented generation, RAG, to make your AI applications even more powerful by retrieving precise information from external data sources. And we'll dive into agentic systems and how to develop autonomous, intelligent processes that can adapt and learn on their own. This course is aimed at data analysts, data scientists, developers, and tech enthusiasts who want to develop practical skills and implement their own projects. Whether you are a beginner or already have experience, I will provide you with the tools to take your AI skills to the next level. You should at least have basic knowledge of Python, and the course lasts over 8 weeks in part-time. And it is also applicable as JobCenter Bildungsgutschein. Start your journey into the world of generative AI with Python now. Secure your place and become part of the AI revolution.